Hi, these comments are for TK. I am Michael, and I'm listening to an integrated speaking practice test that you sent me. So let me get it set up. So here are the integrated speaking rubrics that I'm using to grade your practice test. Here's the email that you sent me. Please listen to evaluate, score, provide feedback on my integrated speaking practice test. This is from the official guide to TOEFL test 6th edition, practice test 4, question 4, marketing strategies. And you even sent me a script. You wrote the script out and then you practiced that and then you made your recording. Not a bad strategy initially. It helps you to become more automatic with your language use, with your delivery, and also your topic development. So it is good to practice. In fact, I had a student from Japan did this. She wrote out every practice test that she ever sent to me, and she spent an hour practicing the one practice test, right? 2.5 months later, she took the TOEFL and got 28 on the speaking. No joke. Serious. And her speaking in the beginning was not good, but she got so much better through that practice. Okay, let's listen to your speaking.
In the lecture, customers are defined as people who are likely to buy a company's product, and in order to focus on the customers, there are two important characteristics: age and geographic location. First, regarding age, for example, when a company wants to sell toy cars to its target customers, children, it will broadcast advertisements during the time when children watch TV. Secondly, for geographic location, when selling boats, a company should define its target customers as those living near oceans or lakes, and advertisements will be placed on them. In this way, companies carry out marketing strategies and make profits.
This is good. This is good. I think that you should put some voice markers in there. I know that you said in the beginning, right? Are defined as, but then you might say something like first, according to the speaker regarding age, for example, or the speaker, when you get to the end, you might say, and this is how companies carry out marketing strategies and makes profits, concludes the speaker. Put maybe 3 or 4 voice markers throughout the response so that we know it's a summary, so that we don't confuse tones. You're not making any arguments here. You're simply explaining someone else's ideas from their perspective and from their point of view. I think it's a good response. I like it. I think your delivery was strong, no major problems there. You're speaking pretty natural. You might work on your tone a little bit more. At the end of each of your thought groups, a tone should inflect a little bit higher. When you get to the end of the sentence, then your tone falls and you have a pause. Then you go to the next sentence. Language use, good grammar. No major problems. Topic development, nice control. I'm going to put you on this one. I feel good about it. I'm going to put you at 25 to 27 points on this practice test. I think it's strong delivery, strong language use, and strong topic development.